Hello everyone, welcome to the vendor tutorial. In this quick little guide, we're going to create a vendor, search for a vendor in the center, and see how we can view the balance of a vendor. So I'm at the vendor module here, that's right here, and I've entered a company name here for the vendor so I can fill in the rest of the information in order to create one. I'm just going to go to contact info, I'm going to put in a phone number, and let's go ahead, let's put in an address. And I'm just going to put in address here. Same as billing to. I can select payment information here. Let's select a payment term, click save, click OK. And now I've created the vendor. Now, if I want to find this vendor and update it or see the other vendors in the system, I can click on vendor center here. And then likewise, I can do an advanced search, pull up the vendors. If I wanted to edit a vendor, I can just double click on the vendor here. If I wanted to change some information here, uh, add an email maybe, and then I can add an email, adjust anything, click update, and that's basically how you can basically edit vendors. One thing you can do is if you go to the vendor info page, this is quite handy. You can basically pull up the balance of a vendor. So let's say I got some vendors here pulled up. So you can actually see if I pulled up a vendor, it's going to show me all the transactions for the vendor. I can filter the transactions for the vendor. I can see any POs that I've got for the vendor. I can click on the balance here of the vendor, and it's going to actually drill down and give me a detailed breakdown of how this balance came to be. So if I wanted to find out, okay, all the bills due for this vendor, I can just click this, and it's actually going to take me to the build center page where it's going to find all the bills for this vendor. Likewise, I can click on the credits available. It's going to take me to the vendor credit page and so forth. So this is a great way to see all your vendors' balances. In the reporting library as well, there's a vendor balance report that you can pull up so you can quickly see all the balances of all your vendors. And of course, your AP aging summary as well.